Hello everyone, Namaste. Here I am to you to present my paper. I'm Satya Joshi from Nepal. I am an MPhil in English literature, lecturer, critic, and translator. I began my literary career from my school days and continuously writing poem, doing translation, publishing critical opinion on language and literature on different newspaper and journal. Currently, I have been working for CG Education. My paper on on representation of woman inferiority in Nepali fashion magazine. Here I have uh, collected different photos from different Nepali fashion magazine, especially Nari and others fashion magazine. I did different like textual analysis. In the introduction part, I just uh, just I explore different stylish photos which depict the celebrities' personality in surface. But my argument is they they do not depict the real image of Nepalese uh, celebrities' personality. Rather, they carries the ideology of capital market, capitalistic market, and then here the female's beauty is highlighted in the picture and different pictures, and then they are just like keep in a very uh, digitalized mode, and they have just like objectified, constrain. They have kept in a different position in different ad, which motivating, which are just motivating consumer to buy their product. The media is supporting capitalistic market. They just like keeping woman image in a different mode and difference in different design and in with high digital quality and all. They are just keeping just they are highlighting their product beside the celebrity photo. They have kept different product picture and all. They are just like narrating those uh, female body to convince the consumer. So my argument is these all uh, female's body part kept in the advertisement to motivate the consumer. They are predetermined, they are profit driven, and they are highly motivated for market strategy. In the second phase of my article, I have just kept different uh, theorist, the different theorist views as a literature review. The first is Robert Fredrickson's and Robert's ideas. And there he says that sexual gaze is given more priorities on these different uh, advertisement, especially the female body, that especially female body kept in different photos and all. Different part of the female's body are just highlighted. Their internals like motive is to attract the consumer by showing their naked body. These pictures do not like represent the real personality of female. Rather, they fulfill the intention of capitalistic market. At the same time, here is another views, and then the men's are mostly while just like representing the photo in the different ad. Just like if the male's body is represented and there only the facial views and facials part is more highlighted, whereas in case of uh, female's photo in ad, it has seen that there's like different part, sexual organs and others part are mostly kept in the advertisement. This is a kinds of objectification of picture in this. So media is focusing objectification of female body. So further, to prove these views, and then I have taken the Laura Mulvey's ideas of castration anxiety, where male constantly watch the female's naked body. As a consumer, he can just like see difference like photo and ad. There is no any kinds of censor and any kinds of control. So uh, this magazine, fashion magazine, especially motivating the buyer to buy their product through presenting different uh, selected body part of the female in the ad. As a textual analysis, I have selected Vogue and the Nari magazine. These are Nepali fashion magazine, where we can see so many celebrities' photos. There we see their different the sandal, their bodies like different sexual organs are more highlighted. Very just like a difference like attractive color, that's like a modern dress up, hairstyle, and others are mostly focused. So this part, why this part are mostly focused there? In the surface, it shows that they are their it shows their beautiness, their personality. But uh, in the inner side, if you see these kinds of uh, these photos, these are motivating buyers. First, like the magazine, expecting that the viewers they have to see their image, and through this they will motivate, and then beside there will be the product, and they will motivate to buy it. So they have exposed different arms, breast, right, and then naked and stylish legs, belly. These are different like different parts that has kept in the commercial ad. So these are all sexual object to be viewed by the voyeurs. So this one is the it's like a one kinds of scopophilia, as like Laura Mulvey says, scopophilia. They takes a pleasure by looking such kinds of photos, by seeing these kinds of picture, different naked organs of female. They just like take entertainments, and then just like they enjoy it, and then later on they motivate to buy it. So in the last part, I have kept as a conclusion, after observing all these picture in the different magazine and study about their hidden meanings, I conclude that female's body is actually not that the female body and different part that has been kept in the different commercial magazine, they do not depict their real personality. Rather, these body reflect the erotic female body. They portray the different uh, patriarchal ideology, where the male can gaze constantly towards the female's body. They can uh, enjoy, and they can just like constantly watch this. So overall, these commercial magazine are business oriented. At the same time, they are carrying the legacy of patriarchal ideology. Nepalese like commercial magazine like a Nari and others, their influence, there is an influence of male gaze. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you.